What if feeling grounded, safe, and financially supported was as simple as pressing play? Welcome to today's episode of Money Mindset. Today, we'll be doing a grounding meditation for root chakra healing and financial safety. This session will help you ground your energy, heal your root chakra, and reconnect with a deep sense of financial safety and security. I invite you to take this moment just for yourself, wherever you are. Find a quiet space to settle into, relax, and give yourself permission to be present. Before we begin, make sure you are comfortable. You can sit or lie down, whichever feels best for you. Gently close your eyes and let's begin. Let's start by taking a deep cleansing breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air. Hold for a moment and now exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Feel the weight of your body grounding into the surface beneath you. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming more connected to the earth, more supported by it. Let's take 2 more deep breaths. Inhale, hold, and exhale, letting go of any worries. One more deep breath, inhaling peace, exhaling fear. Now imagine you're standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. It's early morning and the air is crisp and fresh. You feel the soft grass beneath your feet, cool and comforting. This forest is peaceful. There is no rush here. It's a place of deep safety, a sanctuary for your soul. Take a moment to take in sights and sounds around you. You hear the gentle rustling of the leaves in the trees above and a distant bird singing its morning song. You feel the sun beginning to rise and casting a warm golden light over everything in sight. With each breath, you become more attuned to this peaceful environment, feeling more and more grounded with every moment that passes. Now, gently shift your focus to the base of your spine, the root of your energy, where the root chakra resides. This energy center is connected to your sense of safety, security, and your ability to thrive in material world, including your financial well-being. Imagine a warm red light glowing softly at the base of your spine. This light pulses in rhythm with your heartbeat, steady and secure. Feel the power of this energy begin to activate, healing any areas where you might feel fear, doubt, or lack. As you breathe, allow this red light to expand, growing stronger, filling your entire lower body. Feel it reach down your legs, your feet, and deep into the earth below. Imagine roots growing from the sole of your feet deep into the rich soil beneath you. These roots are strong, unshakable, and completely connected to the nourishing energy of the earth. With each breath, you feel more deeply anchored, rooted, and supported. As you feel these roots deepen, imagine that the earth beneath you is rich with abundance. Feel the energy of the earth, the energy of the forest rising up through your roots, bringing you a deep sense of safety and financial security. Imagine this earth energy as a flowing river of green light, vibrant and full of life. This river of energy flows upward, moving through your roots, into your feet, and up your legs, filling you with a sense of stability and support. As this river of energy moves through your body, allow it to wash away any fears, worries, or doubt that you may have about your financial future. Feel the weight of those fears lifting, dissolving into the earth, where they are transmuted into healing energy. With every exhale, feel the fear you have been holding on to leave your body. every inhale, feel more confident, safe, and secure. You are supported just as the trees are supported by the earth. Your financial safety is anchored into this deep foundation. Now, as you continue to feel the healing energy from the earth rising up through you, envision yourself standing tall in this forest, feeling strong and stable. With every breath, imagine that the universe itself is supporting you and that you are open to receive the abundance that is your birthright. Know that you are worthy of financial security and that your needs are always met. Feel the peace that comes with trusting in this support. You are grounded, you are safe, you are financially secure. Take a moment now to reflect on this deep sense of safety and stability. Feel it filling your heart and your mind, reassuring you that you are always supported. The earth, your foundation, is always there to hold you up. As you breathe in deeply once again, feel the energy of this forest and the earth itself enter your being, strengthening your root chakra and giving you the clarity to move forward with confidence. When you are ready, begin to bring back your awareness back to your surroundings, knowing this healing grounding energy remains with you. Take your time. There's no rush. With each breath, gently bring yourself back to the present moment, knowing that you are safe, secure, and supported. You can open your eyes now. Thank you for joining me in this grounding meditation today. You have taken this time to heal, to clear fear, and to reconnect with your sense of safety and financial security. Remember, you can return to this place of peace and support anytime you need to. The earth is always here for you. If you haven't opened your eyes yet, whenever you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to stretch. Carry the sense of grounding and security with you throughout your day. You are safe, you are supported, and abundance flows to you effortlessly. Thank you for listening in to today's meditation. If you found this healing experience helpful, we invite you to return anytime for more peaceful moments. Please leave a review and rate this podcast and share it with at least one person who you think might benefit from it. If you would like me to create a personalized meditation for you to help you heal your own money stories and remove your money blocks, please drop me an email and I can book a free 30-minute session with you to discuss how I can help you. Our next episode will drop on Monday, which is on your inner thermostat. That is, how much wealth will you allow yourself? Until Monday, stay grounded, stay safe, and stay abundant. Thank you.